3D model. I needed some kind of lizard. I like chameleons the best. Happened to find a really nice model, $8.75 on cgtrader.com. I like that website. Spent hundreds of dollars on models before. Beautiful model. Texture's already baked in. And look at that. It's high resolution ZTL ZBrush file. And it's already poly painted. This is already painted with all these cool colors like that. I don't have to do any of that stuff. Added some more Cyborg metal machine parts. Alright, those will all be metallic. This is will be a light source, so you need like a geometry for that. So there's that. That'll be a red glow. I'm imagining like a Terminator eyeball. I'll throw this in KeyShot, see what happens with the renderer. Now we have it in KeyShot. Just kind of you can kind of see how it's rendering. There's the live preview. We're on CPU mode. It's like a 5-year-old CPU. Let's go to GPU mode. We'll even do denoise. And now, much quicker, much more solid results with the RTX 3090. So it's real important that you lock your camera, that little lock right there. Also up here has it again. Then I know this is the exact same everything. Camera view, perspective, aperture, focal length, whatever. And so I can make multiple passes. So here's the same exact scene, same lighting, and there's different materials. This one's way more shiny. Then it allows me to do like another render pass and combine them in Photoshop. They'll just like layer right on top of each other. So I can even say add to Photoshop. And this one we want to do like diffuse and different kind of things like that. It'll make a new layer for each one of these I click and stack them in that PSD Photoshop document. Here we're in Photoshop. Everything's kind of stacked up here. Turned out I didn't even need most of those passes, but I kept the clown in case I need to select certain things. Don't mind that branch. I don't know why that's like that. That's the normals. I don't really know what I would use that for, but I like it anyways. And then I have my my shiny plastic set to subtract, I suppose. Just add a little more pop to things. Realistic lighting and stuff. Anyways, just kind of stack them and play with things. I want things to look more natural, so I lit in from the top and made everything kind of dark. This is probably more realistic like that. And I'm going to impose a background and work with his colors. Don't mind the Cocomelon in the background. It's my life. Now we need a background. Always use stock images. You may regret it later if you don't. And what if it turns out amazing and you wish you could make prints or a t-shirt? You're like, well, I have to redo the whole background. Or, of course, litigation. But anyways, Adobe stock. Found this pretty cool atmospheric background. Put it in the background, some tweaking, especially some color. More of that chartreuse lime kind of light. I noticed that the model here, the foreground, didn't really have that same atmospheric light. So back to the KeyShot, I'm going to render just some of that light, that color light, as a rim light. And I'll impose that back over. Here we have the finished product. A little more tweaking on the Apple Studio display. I kind of trust its color calibration a lot more than I do this Wacom Cintiq. Everything looks a little more too poppy on here, too much saturation. And this Apple one reflects the phone, the iPhone that I'm using, and the iPad that I use, and everybody else uses them too. So it kind of makes sense to do the final color edit on an Apple device, really. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.